welcome to the installation video for the GoGravel side stand foot enlarger. For this installation you will need an M8 socket or spanner as well as an M4 hex driver. Start by removing the 4 lock nuts and washers. Then carefully only remove the top plate. Confirm orientation by comparing the cutout to the side stand base. Then thread the side stand through the top plate opening. Fit the 2 sections together by ensuring that the 4 bolts go through the 4 holes in the top plate. Then add washers to opposite bolts. And screw on the lock nuts by hand. At this stage, swiveling the side stand up a little will help when tightening the bolts. Use the socket and hex driver to tighten the assembly in a criss-cross fashion. The installation procedure is similar for all GoGravel side stand foot enlargers.